So in this video, we're going to go through a natural progression of frustration, I guess you could say. So let's say that, and this is a real world example, we've got source code that was written in PHP 5 and the server is needing to get upgraded to PHP 7. So we've upgraded it, but the problem is there are some things that are in the code from PHP 5 days that are no longer supported in PHP 7, and we need to fix them. And there's 1,000 different reasons why you may have to go through your source code and make multiple changes like this. So the first instinct is to go down here and do a grep and get a list of files, and then come in here and let's just pick one. We're going to say vi mv view cost or view costing. We're going to open it up. We're going to come down here to where we have the instance of the problem. We're going to get rid of it, and then we're just going to save the file. So now if we do our grep again, that file's gone and we're on to the next one. Now, the next thing that we may decide is, it kind of stinks having to sit here and type all of these names of these files over and over and over. I want to get a little bit simpler way to do that. And so to do that, we end up coming in here and doing something like this, where we take the VI editor and we pipe input into it from the grep. So we take our grep that we just had, and we take this command, and this is a $, so it's vim $, and then open and close parentheses, and then inside it is your grep command. And so if we come over here and get this the way we want it, and we hit the enter key, what happens is the VI editor brings up every single one of those files is open right now. And so if I want to fix this, I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to delete the change. I'm going to hit :W to write. And then I'm going to type :next to go to the next file. Then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to get rid of the changes. :W, :next. And we continue that all the way through the process. So as you can see, this is a lot faster because I'm able to not have to open up all those files, and I'm not having to go in and type the names of everything. Now, another way that we can do this that is even easier, and this is actually the way that you should do this, is to use the sed command. Now, we actually are on Linux, so it is kind of a necessity. I don't know if there's anything like this available for Windows, but there may be. But we're going to use the sed command, and I'm just going to paste the command in here. And so what we're doing is we're taking find. So find is a Linux command to search for files. We're telling it to search from the current directory. We're giving it a name of anything with a .php ending, because that's what we're looking for. And then we're going to execute a sed command, and we're going to do a search and replace. So we're searching for a space ampersand space new, and we're replacing it with space new. We're telling it to do that globally and to do it using all the files that we find in the find command. And so if we execute this command, so I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And now we're going to go back over here and do our grep. You'll see that there's not any files left other than one that doesn't end in PHP. There's not anything here that has that file in it, or that ampersand anymore. So we've essentially gone from manually looping through every single file to letting VI help us to actually executing the entire thing with a simple find and sed command.